Now let us do our meshing job. For that, you should go in the meshing section, just click in the mesh, right click, click edit. So within a second, that meshing window will open and then we will start our meshing. So wait for a moment, and this is your meshing window. So now your meshing window is here. First, generate the default mesh. If you click generate mesh, it will show a default mesh. Of course, you do not want such kind of mesh because it is very coarse mesh. So you need to refine this mesh. How you can refine? You can do the sizing. So I will do first the top and bottom edge sizing. So just click on the edge icon here and select the top and bottom edge. Right click, click insert sizing. Similarly, here also select left and right edge, right click, insert sizing. Now in the first sizing, that means top and bottom sizing, I will select type from element size to the number of division. You need to change this type and we will put 10 divisions in top and bottom wall. Similarly, at left and right wall, we will put 400 divisions. So the aspect ratio is of 40. So that's why in the same ratio, I am putting the number of division. So now if you click on the generate mesh, it will generate a mesh according to our sizing. Here one thing you can do, you can change the behavior from soft to hard, which is important for us, especially for the simple geometry. It will strictly follow your instruction and then again generate mesh. So now if you can see here, your mesh is quite a structured mesh, but if you need more structured mesh, then you can of course do the face meshing also. So for that, just select this face, just click on this face icon and just select this face and insert and face meshing. So one face is selected and just generate it. And if you want to see the mesh, just click on the mesh icon. Here you can see the more structured mesh is created. So this is your meshing. You need to change the mesh size also for the domain, for the mesh independence test. You need to change the mesh and you need to see what is the variation of the results. I am using this mesh, and for that mesh we will proceed to the setup section, and where we will put our boundary conditions and all the setup conditions. Thank you.